Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful set of fancy soft silk sarees. In this collection, 3D embossed designs are running all over the body, through which beautiful and unique puttas are symmetrically arranged, along with a rich contrast pallu and plain blouse. And for the design, we have used golden and silver zari woven with matching 66 karishma. These beautiful collections you are getting in a price of only 100 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your any kind of queries through the given WhatsApp number. Please note our payment mode is through only online. You can either transfer to our account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Also, you can join our WhatsApp groups. If you want a quick update, the links are given in the description. We thank all of you for your consistent support. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.